And you could hang that on your wall.
If that's dry enough, I could come right over it, because that won't show. Anyway, that, you can see how you can be working both ways, and taking your background in there. This then becomes kind of a reverse gradation. I could get darker up in here, and it gets lighter as it comes down. But again, using this as a combination of a linear gradation this way. Now, what happened here?
Go back. Touch the water.
Okay, that's called a back run.
Back.
The water will push, it'll push the color back, because this wasn't dry enough, but if this were dry, that
Wait,
would
you
not have
have this
happened.
that you want us to create these things?
Yeah.
Purposely?
For that exercise, but I didn't want it here, but the back run can also do some marvelous things.
So it can be beautiful, yeah.
Yeah. Now, if you have some Hawaiian salt, or even fine salt, you can apply it at this stage, and what will happen if you sprinkle salt?
It'll absorb.
It'll absorb the
It'll
water.
stop.
Stop everything.
Yeah,
from
it will absorb, and you can get some marvelous techniques that way. The difficulty is that if you don't take the salt out, then every humid day, your painting just goes blah, 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 because it's absorbing moisture from the air. But the next thing is that you can see on your brush, you have a sharp edge. What do you think will happen if I come across this with just this sharp instrument?
White line.
It'll create a dark line.
Yeah.
A dark line.
So you can
thought
get
it would-
very precise dark lines.
Well, you don't
I would have
Is that
thought
called
it
scoring?
takes
Is that what you're calling scoring?
thing up.
Right?
Oh, look at that.
Because you're compressing the paper, because this is still moist, it drops into
It's
those
that
little
beautiful.
valleys.
What is that, water run scoring? What do you call it on here?
Scoring,
Scoring,
yeah.
okay.
Or as the Italians, sgraffito, to scratch. Anyway, you can see if this is still damp, right? Now, another thing is I can lift. I've wet my brush, and I'm going to put the tip down and just lift that color right out. Okay.
Some colors are more staining and difficult.
Well, this is the most staining color we've got. But it's still forgiving at this stage. So, for example, I'm lifting this out, but you see when I'm lifting the blue out, then when I go through a darker area, even though this is all the same, by contrast it looks like it's dark. So you're getting kind of a reverse gradation look also. And it will always happen, you see, where you have it light. So I come into this, I can draw some of that, you see, in. But it's knowing your materials and playing with them a little bit as to what your possibilities are. Now, the back run, we have the lift. Is there anything else on your list?
Water run.
Okay, well, in a way, what Kathy was doing there initially, or using gravity,
okay.
Right.
you,